Okay, now for the shift selector. In order to connect it to the shift cable and the shift selector lever in the car inside the passenger compartment, in order to have them all in sync for it to work properly, you're going to want to move on the transmission um, lever selector. You're going to want to move this shift selector lever all the way to the left, down. Okay, now we're in park. Okay, so we're in the park position when you move it all the way counterclockwise, when you, until it bottoms out. The last see there. Now we're in park. That is park right there. Okay, so after park, the next gear, the next position of the transmission is gonna be reverse. One click. That was two. We're gonna have to go all the way back. Okay, we're gonna go next gear. Okay, that's reverse. And we're in order when we're installing the transmission, we're gonna want this lever, and we're gonna want the transmission to be in the neutral position. To get it to the neutral position, we're gonna need to move it one more um, gear up to the count clockwise into neutral. We are now in neutral. When you're placing the selector in neutral on the automatic transaxle, you're going to want to have the selector lever has a little pointer, and you're going to want to have it pointing to that line. There's a line right here, right below the connector, the electrical connector. So you can see the line right there. That's the line. This line right here, and this is the pointer. So you're going to want it perfectly there, and we are in the neutral position, and the transmission is now ready to be installed. So counterclockwise all the way down. Park, park, reverse, neutral. And you're going to want to have the shift selector in the passenger compartment in the neutral position. And now we could simply connect the shifter cable I to the shift lever. And the shifter cable I has a little D, a little square, um, so just fit it perfectly in there. And we gotta have it neutral position in the compartment, the passenger compartment of the car, and we have it in neutral here too. So now it is ready to be installed.